Welcome to One Point Perspective, Drawing Windows. Remember, One Point Perspective is a system of drawing forms that help create the illusion of deep space. There is only one vanishing point to which all things would eventually fade in the distance. This vanishing point is usually in the center of a drawing, on the horizon line, or eye line, the level your eye would be when looking at the scene. Basic rules for working in one-point perspective are as follows. All lines must be made with a straight edge, a ruler, a triangle, or a T-square. All vertical lines must be vertical. All horizontal lines must be horizontal, that is, parallel to the horizon line. All other lines must connect to the vanishing point. This creates the illusion of depth. There are only three types of given lines that can extend from any given point. In one-point perspective, they are vertical lines, horizontal lines, and those that connect to the vanishing point. In this presentation, all horizontal lines will be drawn in black, all vertical lines will be in brown, and all lines connecting to the vanishing point will be green. To begin with, draw a fairly large box that crosses the horizon line. Draw a rectangle completely inside the front face above the horizon line. This is the outside of your window. You may also draw one below the horizon line. Remember that everything inside is now space. The rest of the box is solid. So this is now going to be space. Find the red dot on your drawing. This is the only corner that you can connect to the vanishing point without going through the box. Notice on the front face, it is the farthest point, the farthest corner away from the vanishing point. Connect the red point from step 2 to the vanishing point. Draw lightly. Notice you do not have to go all the way through to the vanishing point, just inside the window. You will then locate a new red point on the line you just drew. It represents the thickness of your wall. You get to choose how thick your walls will be. Mark this point. Find the red dot from step 3. Draw a vertical line from that point towards the horizon line. You're going to draw that line up in a window below the horizon line or down for a window above the horizon line. Again, find that red dot from step 3. You will draw a horizontal line from that point towards the vanishing point. So that's right in a window to the left of the vanishing point and left in a window to the right of the vanishing point, which we will see. This step shows the windows drawn on the right side of the vanishing points. Notice how 5 and 6 are mirror images of each other. Next, we will draw windows on the side face. You're going to draw a fairly large box that crosses the horizon line. Draw a vertical line completely above the horizon line within the side face. Connect the top and bottom points of that line with the vanishing point. Finish the shape within the side face with another vertical line. It's just like another side face within the side face. The top, bottom, left, and right lines of the space within the face must match the face. So, if the top and bottom lines of the face connect with the vanishing point, the top and bottom lines of the window should also connect with the vanishing point. This is true of all faces on the box. The shape within the face is now the outside of your window. Remember that anything inside is now space. The rest of the box is solid. Remember, there are only three kinds of lines: vertical, horizontal, and those that connect to the vanishing point. This window has vertical lines and lines that connect to the vanishing point. It needs a horizontal line to enhance the illusion of space. Find the red dot on your drawing. This is the only corner which you can draw a horizontal line without going through the box. Draw a horizontal line from the red point in step 2 into the window. It will always be in the direction away from the vanishing point, but always horizontal. Draw lightly. Locate a new red point just on the line you just drew. This represents the thickness of the wall. You may choose how thick your walls will be. Now mark this point. Find the red dot from step 3. Draw a vertical line from that point toward the horizon line, up in a window below the horizon line and down for a window above the horizon line. We're almost done. Find that red dot again from step 3. Line up your straight edge connecting the red point with the vanishing point. Draw the line going from the red point away from the vanishing point. Make sure this is going away from the vanishing point. This step shows how the windows are drawn on the right side of the vanishing point. Notice how 5 and 6 are mirror images of each other. One-point perspective assignment number 3. Use this sheet of daily assignment paper to draw a series of boxes in one-point perspective. Remember, your paper will be horizontal. Draw your horizon line across the center of the page. Place your vanishing point in the middle of the horizon line. All your boxes will use this vanishing point for the perspective. All lines will be made of the ruler. All vertical lines must be vertical. All horizontal lines must be horizontal. And all other lines must connect to the vanishing point. For this assignment, you will be drawing 4 windows in one-point perspective. They may be in any of the boxes from previous exercises, so you do not need to redraw the boxes. However, no 2 can be on the same surface, that is the front or the side, and above or below the horizon line, that is above front, above side, below front, and below side. Darken the outlines of each box and erase any guidelines. Remember to write your name and date on the corner of your paper. Good luck.